Hello everyone, this is Archana Singh. Welcome to NANC Nikhil Archana NEET classes. So today let us talk about cell engineering with synthetic messenger RNA. See, messenger RNA, as you know, it has become an important alternative to DNA as a tool for these cell reprogramming. Now, to be expressed, exogenous DNA must be transmitted through the cell cytoplasm now and placed into the nucleus. Now, in contrast, exogenous messenger RNA simply has to be delivered into the cytoplasm. Now, the use of messenger RNA instead of DNA in medical application increases safety by abolishing the risk of transgene insertion into host genome. Now, you must be wondering what is transgene. It is a gene artificially introduced into the genome of another organism. Now, the genome is a complete set of genes in a cell. Now, in immunotherapy, what happens? Messenger RNA is employed in reprogramming of antigen presenting cell and cytolytic lymphocyte. Other application includes generation of induced pluripotent stem cells. Now, these pluripotent stem cells are self-replicating cells. Now, they are derived from human embryo or human fetal tissue and are known to develop into cells and tissues of the three primary germ layers. Now, the genome engineering is a type of genetic engineering in which DNA is inserted, deleted, modified, or replaced in the genome of living organism. Now, the modularly assembled nucleases are the most investigated applications of messenger RNA technology, and let us review what are those programs. Now, the first one is reprogramming into pluripotency and differentiation of cell with synthetic messenger RNA. Now, programming here synthesis of messenger RNA of genes of interest that take place and used to induce pluripotency and direct cell differentiation. Now, the other way is programming human dendritic cell with messenger RNA for vaccination, for example. Now, it is the process of or method of choice to deliver messenger RNA into antigen presenting cell for generating vaccine for like for example cancer immunotherapy. Now, incorporation of synthetic messenger RNA in injectable hybrid hydrogels for local and sustained expression of exogenous proteins in cell. In this case, the biodegradable hydrogels are simultaneously loaded with cells and desired synthetic messenger RNA for exogenous protein synthesis and can be administered by minimally invasive local injections for tissue engineering applications. Now, synthetic messenger RNA can be used as a tool for gene therapy. Now, transfection is the process of deliberately introducing naked or purified nucleic acid into eukaryotic cell. Now, this messenger RNA avoids problem of insertional mutagenesis. Now, mutation in gene is mutagenesis. Now, these creation of mutation of gene is by adding or one or more base pair. Now, an efficient vector-free method of messenger RNA was transfected more easily and readily than DNA, and its expression was highly uniform in cell population. Nowadays, a new type of vaccine using RNA, messenger RNA is more in demand as the proteins on the surface of viruses, they encapsulate a strand of RNA, and this RNA molecule holds the genetic instruction that make up the virus. But these viruses, they do not make their own components. Instead, they enter into the lungs and attack respiratory tract, and they attach themselves there with the help of the proteins. The viral RNA becomes the part of host cell protein. Now, they start producing new copies of viral protein and RNA. Now, which assemble into thousands of new viruses to spread the disease, whatever is the disease. Now, one way to stop is to block the virus from entering the cell. Now, these vaccines do that by training the body to identify and attack viruses before affecting the healthy cells. Now, newer approach is using messenger RNA vaccines which carry molecular instructions to make the protein. The messenger RNA vaccine provides a synthetic messenger RNA of the virus which the host body uses to produce viral protein itself. The biggest advantage is that they can bypass the hassle of producing pure viral protein, sometimes saving months or years for mass production. So, how it works, the mechanism will be dealt in the next slide. So, friends, a positive approach can recharge the low esteem of an individual. So, keep yourself charged and keep moving forward. Thank you.